I'm Adaline from Bonney Lake, Ben Franklin, and I'm here today to show you the April Gnome of the Month. I'm going to be starting with our Spring Gnome. The first step that we're going to be doing is gluing our bag so that he can turn into a little gnome body. So for this one, we're going to take the two corners, tuck them into the center, and secure it with hot glue. So I pre-cut my felt hat, and I'm going to take my ring that is included, and I'm going to start it about between an inch and half an inch down from the widest part of the hat. Start it at one side, and then once I have a line of hot glue all the way along the bottom, roll it up so that it makes a cone. Alright, now I'm going to be gluing the seam of the hat shut. Now I'm going to be gluing the inside of the hat to cover up the ring. Now we're going to attach the beard. We're going to take the seam side of the hat and turn it around so it's on the back, and then in the front part of the hat we're going to put a line of glue and stick our beard fur side down into the glue. Now I'm going to attach his nose. I'm going to find a spot right below the hat, pull away some of the beard's fur, put a little dab of hot glue, and then attach our little wooden nose. Now I'm going to show you how to assemble the flowers. The end product should be something like this. So how we're going to get there is we're going to take the largest, medium, and smallest sizes of the felt that is already cut out for you. Stick a brad right down the center. Fold it out so it stays in place. Then you have your cute little flower. Now we're going to assemble the flowers and leaves on our gnome using some hot glue. Here's our finished spring gnome. Happy crafting!